Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to discuss some grade school dunk lows that are good options for back to school. I think that, some people definitely may be interested in these, but also just, maybe if you're looking for some grade school pairs or you're a smaller size, then these could be some good options for you. So, that's what this video is going to be for. Or maybe you got a kid that you're looking to get a grade school pair for. Here you go. This is what this video will, hopefully help out with. So if you guys want more content like this, don't forget all the sneakers in this video are going to be under $200. Keep that in mind. So you guys can check out my Instagrams, any of that down below if y'all want to. And don't forget, if you want to start sourcing more sneakers, learning how to resell them, kind of, make more of a consistent profit off it, feel free to check out my friend and I's group down below. Here's some of the under market deals we've done recently. We do this every single day in our group, stuff like this, so you guys can profit off it. And we're always making sure our members stay cooking. So feel free to get in that wait list. You guys can read our reviews as well, so y'all know we're 100% legit. See some of the different things that have been offered. Of course, some of the recent deals, some lobsters. We also have done some UNC dunks. Of course, it's not just that, showing you how to bot, make more like consistent flips in your own with like our brick flip calls. Here's one of the recent ones we've done. So yeah, don't miss out and start sourcing more with us. So I hope to see y'all there. Get in that wait list so you can start getting the under market deals, everything else we offer, and let's get started. And also just start reselling more consistently with the brick flips. Very easy to do that. Like, it's pretty easy to sell shoes that normally sit and make a profit off it. A lot of people don't know that. But one of the first options I want to get into right here that I think is a good option for back to school, I'm going to say the grade school Thunder 4s. Now, as you guys can see, all sizes except for 7Y, which is creeping slightly above $200, but this one is still a good one in my opinion. I think you'd be able to find one in your local area potentially if you just looked around a bit. Make sure you authenticate the pair with, the different apps that are out there that kind of allow you to do that. It's not just apps that, allow you to do that. There's different features. You can check on like online with your own. Maybe you got a retail pair, but I think these are a great back to school option just for the fact that it's the, that yellow and black. It's a classic colorway, a great retro, I might add. And also this pair hits extremely well in hand. That's one of the main things I want to mention about it. I love how that kind of suede material hits on the sneaker with that yellow colorway because they chose that black suede. And I love, just black and yellow. It's a great combo. I think this is a good one that you guys could go with. And, also kind of been slowly rising for our folks that like holding sneakers. Yeah, there's people that are starting to actually, get this one because, they're starting to get, become a little bit harder to find, but still great pair, especially for, the personal collection factor. I just think these are a good one, somewhat comfortable, but, definitely a stylish one that's not going to break the, break the bank too much. But a couple months down the line, these are going to be more expensive, and these are going crazy right now with back to school. A lot of people are going to start buying them very soon just because, grade school pairs are going to be going crazy. It's really just getting into that season for it. So another one aside from the grade school Thunder 4s, we do have the triple pinks in grade school sizes. I think I actually might have put this in my video last year where I was kind of mentioning, some good grade school back to school options. But again, another one that you guys can see, all the sizes are comfortably under $200, except for that 7Y. That is the only one that's really sitting at $200 right now. Maybe a pair just sold in the ask is a little bit higher than usual, but it just kind of shows you that, sometimes the prices for these sneakers are all over the place. But another good one, again, you can't go wrong with like a pink dunk low. I definitely feel like that's a good option. These are the active fuchsias, are definitely two good ones. Active fuchsias are, pretty similar in price in most sizes, except for, again, that 6.5Y and 7Y are priced a little bit higher just because those are the sizes that people tend to buy up a little bit more. So I'm gonna actually start selling some of the ones I have soon, but another really good grade school back to school option. I go with these or the active fuchsias. Personally, any sort of like pink dunk low, if you maybe have a daughter, I think this would be a good one. So just gonna say that these are the fuchsias. Keep it in mind. I said that like 3 times. But yeah, pink swoosh. I do like the different shades of pink that we have on the sneaker. I think that's another cool feature. So aside from that one, another one we will get into is the Wizard 3s. I think this is another good option. Again, all sizes comfortably under $200, and I just think you can't go wrong with a pair of Jordan 3s. They're comfortable, they look good on foot. Most of the colorways for them end up aging pretty well with time, and this also has a cool story behind it. Because it's the last team that MJ played on. Based off it's the colorway based off that, like the OG Wizards colorway. So I just think there's a lot, a few cool details behind it, and I think people recognize that, but also it's a comfortable sneaker. Your kid isn't going to be complaining, or whoever you're getting them for isn't going to be complaining about the comfort on them. I'll say that, because 3s are always comfortable. That's one of the main things I will mention. I think it's a great pair, and I really like this one. So another one we'll mention. I think it's a really good back to school option. Again, all the sizes, no matter really where you go. You probably could even find them locally at your Nike outlet. Since they're priced below retail, again, people really aren't flipping these, so you might be able to find some at your local Nike outlet. But keep that in mind. Another really good one we have. I think it's a good back to school option as well, because they're kind of fresh. fresh. You know, you can wear them in the winter or summer. It's a colorway for like both seasons. That's why I like it. I think I've said that phrase like 80 times in this video too. I don't want to repeat myself too much, but yeah, again, comfort is where it's at on threes, and simple, not really too much you have to think about when putting them on foot, so it's a good option. But another one aside from the Wizard 3s, we're going to get into some Yeezy slides. Maybe your kid's a Yeezy fan, or maybe, you know, you've been looking to get him some slides. Maybe that's their kind of style more. You know, maybe you live in an area with really nice weather where it's warm all the time. You know, that's a blessing. That's awesome. But yeah, really right here, you guys can see, again, comfortably under $200 in all sizes. These restocked, you know, a few months ago, but it was a much larger restock. Now, if you want to hold off, there is, you know, that bone slide restock, which is rumored to be on the way. So, and the marine slate. So a few Yeezy slides are going to be dropping soon, so those might be in kid sizes as well. So if you want to hold out for those, feel free. But the prices on all of those are crazy right now. This is one of the few, you know, kids Yeezy slides that we have. So that's one of the main things I want to mention about it, because there actually isn't many kids Yeezy slide colorways. Most of the time they don't make a kid's size, you know, so sometimes a lot of them do, like the Onyx, things like that, but they're priced a lot higher than 200. I'll say that, because they usually end up being much lower stock. So another one we have, the kids Yeezy slides, sells very well, but also good back to school option, very comfortable. Yeezy slides have always been 10 out of 10 with the comfort, so there you go. And I guess a final option we can get into, aside from the other ones that we have mentioned so far, again, trying to, you know, show you all a variety of colorways and, you know, models. So, you know, we really are, you know, hopefully showing that in this video. But we have the GS Light Smoke Gray Jordan 1s. I think this is a really clean pair for back to school. Main reason for it, I think that the all suede over the sneaker, that all gray suede over the sneaker, I think that is a perfect detail. Not to mention the gray, black, and red. I think all that hits very well together. It's not too much to think about, but also the details are just, it's nice in hand. It seems like Nike, like, you know, put some thought into this Jordan 1, and it actually seems like it'd be a good personal. I actually would want a pair of these, not gonna lie. You know, I'm not really like buying too many personals right now, because since I just, you know, dropped a pretty decent amount on a personal, well, a pair that I'll probably be keeping. You know, it's on the way. Probably gonna be keeping them, metallic orange 4s. Been looking to complete, you know, that metallic 4 set. Just looking for that green pair now, and then I'll have all of them. So really been looking to complete that set. Just got the orange pair, so I'm not really, again, looking to ball out in too many personals right now, since those were, you know, they're a little bit pricier now. We'll say that. Should have bought them back in 2020. But those are some back to school options we have right now, all in grade school sizes that you guys can go out there, look for on apps, and they should be comfortably under $200 even after fees. Some ones may not be, like the Thunder 4s, and I encourage looking locally, because you won't get, you know, completely ripped off for those, or you might be able to, you know, pay like, what, like $210, but you'll have them right there. You won't have to wait, and you can get your kid fresh that day. So that might be something you want to do. I recommend that. And yeah, that's sometimes why like a local resale shop could be useful. Like maybe they'll have a pair for like 205, 210. You can go buy it, because yeah, it's a little bit over market, but you don't gotta wait. There you go. But that's it. So again, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below. And if you want to, subscribe and like down below. Can we get 200 likes on this video? Again, I'd really appreciate it if you could do that. Just lets me know y'all want more content like this, and I, of course, 100% will deliver on that if I see that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these options. And don't forget, if you want to start sourcing more sneakers, become a better reseller, you know, become more consistent with your flips, I hope to see y'all down below on that wait list. You guys can read our reviews and know we are legit. And yeah, get on there. And again, you will not be charged until you're let into the group. So keep that in mind. It's not $40 to join the waitlist. It's free to join the waitlist, but once you're in the group, that's when, you know, it's paid. So that's everything I will say. Again, feel free to check it out. And yeah, we got tons and tons of deals on the way. I'll even show y'all on the story. We've been really cooking, and even some member success, you know, with the brick flips, always consistently profiting there. So yep, don't miss out, and I hope to see y'all there. And ooh, even consignment sales. You can make much more from your sales with us. So don't undercut yourself. That's it. I'm gonna end the screen recording. So Tristan, thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video very soon. Peace. Sticks made a bucket hit.